Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your messenger. First of all, let's launch the app. First thing that you want to look is on the top left corner, you see the three stripes, you want to click on them. Then you're going to launch the profile picture and you want to click on the right side where is the gear icon. When you click on the gear icon, you will be brought to your original page settings. Here you want to scroll all the way down and you click on account centers. When you click on account center, the most important part is the second part of the menu, which is essentially personal details. You want to click on personal details and then you will be brought to the completely new menu where is the personal details, account ownership and control. You want to click on account ownership and control, and the following menu will lead you to the decision making process: deactivation or deletion. This is where you can actually choose to deactivate or delete your account, and you can simply choose what is going to be the future of your messenger. Let's click on deactivation or deletion and let's see what are the remaining options and how you can actually proceed. Because remember, it is very important for you to make the right decision. There is a vast difference between deleting or deactivating your account. Remember, all the conversations that you currently have on your messenger, all the files that you shared or were shared with you, will be lost if you delete your account. If you just deactivate your account, you can select a time frame 3, 5, 6 weeks, 5 months, whatever. Then you can actually go back and start using the messenger again. Now, when you click on deactivation and deletion, you will see all the accounts associated with this particular login. This means that you might see a Facebook accounts, we might see an Instagram pages, all the accounts that you associated and linked with this particular messenger login will appear here, and then you can make your decision. Should I simply deactivate or delete all of them, or should I deactivate or delete one of them? Again, make sure that you're aware where you're clicking and what's going to be the end result. I want to make sure that you keep all the data, all the information prior you make your final decision. Subscribe and come back for more.